Calorie cycling could make or break your fat loss. Right, so let's say to keep things simple, your daily calorie target to stay in a deficit and lose fat is 2,000 each day. The traditional way of losing fat would mean that you consume those calories Monday through to Sunday. However, if we multiply your daily calorie target by 7, you'll be left with your weekly target, which using this example would be 14,000 per week. And as long as your total throughout the week adds up to that or less, you will still be in a deficit and lose fat. So let's say you have a social event coming up this Saturday. You're going out for a meal and there's probably going to be a few drinks involved. So by using your weekly average, you can actually reduce your intake by 100 on Monday through to Friday, which gives you then an extra 500 calories to work with on Saturday. So you can have a few more alcoholic drinks and your total will still add up to 14,000 and you will still be losing fat. Bloody genius. However, this is the part that no one goes through. And if you want fat loss advice with a bit more context, so that you're not wasting your time, then you might want to give me a follow. Now let's say that you're someone that needs to be consuming 1,500 calories to be in a deficit. Maybe you're a shorter female, so your maintenance is already quite low. We can still apply the same logic and get you eating 100 less calories from Monday to Friday to give you more wiggle room on a Saturday. However, now you're consuming just 1,400 calories during the week. And this is where things can backfire. Because you're struggling to get through the day Monday to Friday because your energy's low and you're hungry all the time. Now you finally get to Saturday and you go out for the meal you've been waiting for. But because you've been struggling all week and you're starving, you sit down, look at the menu and order absolutely everything in sight. You can't stick to your plan and you've gone way over your weekly target. And that is why everyone needs a separate individual plan when it comes to your nutrition, because what you see on the internet doesn't always apply to you. So if you like nutrition being explained clearly, then give me a follow.